Dear viewers, today we are going to learn that is 5-digit numbers, numerals and 4-digit numbers, that is comparison of numbers and Indian system, arrangement of numbers in Indian system and international system, and that is before after number, that is predecessor and successor numbers. There are so many subtopics in our that is main topic, that is number system. Okay, let me see some examples. With some examples I will explain. Already we have discussed that is 4-digit numbers, that is 9999, that is 4-digit numbers, and formation of smallest 3-digit number, greatest 3-digit number, similarly smallest 4-digit number and greatest 4-digit number. Already we have discussed, and that is expanded form and short form in that is 5 up to 4-digit numbers. Okay, today we are going to learn that is 5-digit numbers, how to form 5-digit numbers and how to read and how to write the number names of 5-digit numbers for in your grade, that is 4th standard. For 3rd standard level you have learnt only that is 4-digit numbers and introduction of 5-digit number, that is 10,000. Okay, and let me see in explain that is 4th standard. You have to read that is 5-digit numbers, that is 5-digit numerals, how to write, how to read the numbers. Okay, let me see with examples. Okay, and that is our 4-digit number. So that is the greatest 4-digit number that already we have discussed, that is greatest, okay, greatest 4-digit number, that is, how do you read this number? That is 9999. Okay, that is ones, tens, hundred, put comma, that is 9999. So this is the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, and you have to add one number to this. Let me make it as a 5-digit number, that comes 10,000. Okay, do you understand? This is the last number of the 4-digit number. What's the next number of this 9999 means? You have to add one number, okay, that is a successor number, then you will get 10,000. That is the smallest 5-digit number, and we are introducing into the 5-digit number. Okay, do you understand, children? So that is the smallest, okay, smallest 5-digit number is, that is, you have to add 1 to this number, you get this number, that is 10,000. Okay, that is ones, tens, hundred, comma, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, how do you read this number, children? This is 10,000. Okay, do you understand this? Okay, smallest 5-digit number. Similarly, that is greatest 5-digit number. Let me see. That is greatest 5-digit number is, how do you write? That is 5-digit. You have to write 5 times 9. Okay, similarly that is 4, 9. That is, okay, and put comma here, ones, tens, hundred, you separate with comma, and 1,000, 10,000. So 99,999. Okay, so how to read? You have to simply write down this number, that is ones, tens, hundred and 1,000, 10,000. Okay, so 99,999, that is our greatest 5-digit number. Similar to that of our previous example, this also you have to add one number to this number. Okay, you can add 1. Okay, simply adding 1 of this number, you can get, that is next 6-digit number. Okay, let me see. So that is the smallest, okay, smallest 6-digit number. Okay, that means 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. Okay, for 10,000 you are putting 40 and for this. So how to read this number, children? That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100 put comma and 1000, 10,000 put comma. So this is lakh. That is 1 lakh. In Indian system, that is place value system of Indian place value system, you have to mark the comma after finish your 3 periods. Let me see next example how to write numbers in Indian system as well as international system. Okay, so this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So this is a 6-digit number. Okay, this is the smallest 6-digit number. Again, greatest 6-digit number means you are putting, that is 69. Okay, that is a greatest 6-digit number. Okay, similar to that of, that is how to write. So put 69 and make comma here, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, and this is lakh period. So 9, how to read this? That is 9,99,999. Okay, so this is a formation of 4-digit, 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. How to introduce 6-digit number for your 4th standard level. So this is greatest 4-digit number. Again I will explain, that is 9,999. Smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000, because it starts from 5-digit number only starts from this number 10,000. So it is smallest. And greatest 5-digit number means that 5-digit number goes on. Okay, 10,000, 20, 30 like that. And 99,900. 99 is the last number of 5-digit number because it goes on next, that is 1 lakh. So it has how many digits, children? It has 6 digits. So this is the smallest 6-digit number, that is 1 lakh. How to read this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. And this is followed by next, that is 6 times you are putting 9 and it goes on up to 2 lakh, 3 lakh like that, and that is 9,99,999. That's the last 6-digit number, that is the greatest 6-digit number, and place comma, that is ones, tens, 100, insert comma here, 1000, 10,000 and again comma, and that is 9. How to read this number? That is 9,99,999. Okay, so this is the introduction of 6-digit numbers. Okay, let me see next, that is the Indian place value system and international place value system. I will explain you. We are going to learn, that is two system of, that is arrangement of numbers. Okay, this is for easy methodology to read numbers and arrangement of numbers according to their place. Okay, we can arrange this separate periods. So in Indian place value system, that is ones, okay, and thousands and lakhs. That is 3 periods of, that is division. Okay, so easy way to write numbers. So now we are going to learn, that is Indian place value system. Okay, our heading is, that is Indian, okay, place value system. Indian place value system. Okay. For this method, you have to use your maths note in a landscape mode. Okay, for your text notebook you should keep it not keeping this vertical manner, because you have to draw tablet column. Okay, draw one, that is we have to divide the numbers different periods. Okay, let me see, first understand and try to yourself with another numbers and again for this system. First, that is system that is ones, okay, and tens, from your right hand side to the left side. Always start with your counting numbers and place value. You have to do this from this right hand to the left hand side, children. Okay, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, and next one, that is thousand, and next period, that is 10,000. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh, and again that is 10 lakh. Okay, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, and we make it as a column, draw a line. Okay, okay, let me see. This is an Indian place value system. The first period, okay, it has 3 periods, that is all these under this ones. Okay, this is ones, so ones, tens, hundreds, and this period is thousands. Okay, and next one, that is lakhs. So ones place is divided into again 3 periods. It is a first column. It again ones is divided into ones, tens, hundred. Okay, and next period, that is divided into 2 periods. So 1,000, 10,000, and again the lakhs period, it also divided into 2 periods. Okay, that is lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, and I will explain with example number. Okay, one more example, that is we have to arrange this in column. For example, we have to take, that is the number okay, it has 6-digit number. Okay, I have to write this number here. This is a question. Okay, let me do this number on this Indian place value system tablet column. Okay, that is 6-digit numbers. We have to put the number, that is first 2 in ones place. Okay, 2 in ones place, and that is a 9 in tens place, and 1 in 100 place. Okay, and after finishing this 3 period, you have to separate the number with comma. And again this is 2 and 6. Okay, so 2 and 6, insert 1 comma. Okay, and the last one, that is 8. Okay, now how to read? That is 8,62,192. So this is a Indian place value system. Okay, do you understand this? I took 6-digit number, children. This is a Indian place value system. It has, that is 3 column, ones, thousand and lakh. Okay, and how to separate this? This is a ones column. It has 3 periods, ones, tens, hundred. Okay, and thousand column, it has 2 periods, that is 1,000, 10,000. And the third column, that is lakhs, it has 2 periods, that is lakhs, 10 lakhs. Do you understand? And we are putting this 6-digit number and insert comma also. How to insert comma? That's a easy way to read numbers. Okay. For this we have to place the number from the right hand side to the left hand side. Do you understand? So we are putting like this 291 and 268. Okay. Then finally we are that is reading this number, that is 8,62,192 and insert comma, that is ones, tens, hundred, then insert comma, and 1,000, 10,000, here insert one comma. So for this Indian system, that is first place insert comma after finishing of 3 digit. Afterwards it goes on to 2 digits, you have to insert comma. This is a Indian place value system. I will give you 3 more sums, you have to practice. Okay, this is the first one. Another sum, that is for this you have to one more add, that is 7-digit number, because it comes like that is 80 lakhs. Okay, so you have to draw this column and write the place value. Okay, and put it the number in each box like this. Example sum. Practice these 3 sums. Okay, from your right hand side. For example, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and insert comma. How to do this? One more example for this. This is ones, tens, 100, insert comma here, 1,000, 10,000, insert comma here. How to read now? That is 9,01,829. So practice this sum for your example practicing, that is Indian place value system. And next we move on to our next system, that is international place value system. Okay. This is also for international place value, similar to that of our writing, but slightly it changes place value. That is the international place value system. Each column in Indian system we have discussed now, that is first column consists 3 periods and next move on to the 2 periods we have discussed now. Okay, but in international system each column has 3 periods. That's the one change, slight change in between the international place value and Indian place value system. Let me see, I am going to draw the column for international place value system. Okay, our topic is, that is international place value system. How to do this? Let me start from our, that is place value, that is ones, okay, tens and hundreds. Okay, for this ones column. Okay, ones, tens, 100. And our 1,000 column again, that is thousands. Okay, thousands. 10,000s, 10,000s, and again that is 100,000. Okay, 100,000. Okay, that is these 3 columns, ones, tens, 100, hundreds, ones. Okay, and 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, it comes under thousands. Okay, next one, that is million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, that is million, 10 million and 100 million. For this is millions. This is our new international place value column. So let me separate this. Okay. and this is 1000. For this also 3 column, and again this millions column is divided into again 3 millions, 10 millions and 100 million. So this is a international place value system. Okay, do you understand? Same thing, that is ones column is similar to that of our Indian system. Okay, for this 1000 column, introducing that is 100,000 column. So 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is a 1000 column. It has also 3 periods. Okay, and this is a last one, that is millions. It also has 3 periods, that is million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, let me arrange another 6-digit number. Okay, how can we arrange this? Let me see. First, similar to that of our right hand to left hand side. So arrange here 2, 7, 1, insert comma. Okay, and next one 6, 8, 6, 8 and 9. Okay, 9, 8, 6. But comma, you have to insert comma after finishing 3-digit numbers. Another also getting 3-digit number in international place value system. In Indian system, you are put comma here. First 3-digit, next you have to insert comma after finishing 2 digits in Indian system. But in international system, that's each partition, that is after 3-digit number. So that is 271, insert comma here. So avoid this, put insert comma here. So leave it there, 3-digit after finishing your number for international place value system. Now you have to read this number, that is 986,000. Okay, because this is 100,000. So 986,172. Okay, how to write the number name? That is 986,000 172. Okay, this is a arrangement of numbers in international place value system. Okay, do you understand this? I hope you can understand difference between Indian system and international place value system. Okay, let me move on to next, that is comparison of numbers and predecessors and successor. Okay, that is we are going to learn about comparison of numbers. What is bigger, what is smaller. We have discussed in that is arrangement of smallest number and greatest number by using 5-digit and 6 digits. Now we are going to do 6-digit numbers, separate numbers, to form smallest number and greatest number. And next we move on to the comparison of 4-digit, 3-digit numbers with using lesser than symbol, greater than symbol and equal sign. Okay, that is, I recap once again, that is, this is less than symbol and this is greater than and this is equal. Do you remember this? That is, this is less than, greater than and equal, and in this symbol, that is, it shows the bigger number side and it shows, this side shows the lesser in size. Similarly here, this is, it shows bigger number and this shows smaller number, but equal sign, both right hand and left hand side numbers are equal. So it mentions both the numbers are equal, its value also equal. So that is equal sign. Okay, I recap, you can that is recap the sign. Okay, let me do, that is by using 6-digit number, formation of smallest number and formation of greatest number. One example for this, Okay, that is this is our example sum. So here that is 6 separate numbers are given. Separate numbers, how to find out this is a separate number, because each number is separated by comma. Okay, so that is 720,158. Okay, by using this separate numbers, so you have to write one smallest number and one greatest number. So we have to first, that is comparing numbers. How to compare? For this we have to take out the number by using this sign. Okay, that is first number, that is 0, and next one is 1, and next one is 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2, and 5, and 7, and 8. Okay, this is the order of, that is increasing order, that is ascending order. From this is a, depending upon its value, that is 0 is smaller than 1, and 1 is smaller than 2, and 2 is smaller than 5, and 5 is smaller than 7, and 7 is smaller than 8. Okay, it mentions the increasing order. So we can now go to write this 6-digit numbers, make it as a single smallest number. First you have to write 0 is, because 0 has no value. So first you put the number, that is 1. Okay, so that is 1, and next you have to write the number 0, and 2, 5, 7, 8. Okay. For Indian place value system, you have to insert comma from after finishing this 3-digit number. So that is ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma. Okay, now you can read this number, that is 1,02,578. So this is the smallest number, this smallest, how many digits? That is 6 digits. Okay, smallest 6-digit number. Okay, do you understand, children? First you take down the separate numbers, arrange it in a increasing order, and make it as a single number similar to, that is we have already arranged. So arrange this number, but 0 is 0, it has no value. So don't put 0 as a first number because it has no value. So put the number first 1 and arrange it in that order, and insert comma our place value, Indian place value system. So that is ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, and comma. That is now 1,02,578. So this is a smallest 6-digit number. We can arrange this number, that is greatest 6-digit number. We can arrange it very easily because you can arrange this backward number. Okay, that is smallest 6-digit number from formation of the separate numbers, and we can write the greatest 6-digit number. Again we have to, it is easy for us, that is we have to write the number backward. Okay, that is 8, 7, 5, and one more thing here 2. Again we put 1 and 0 is the last number because it the smallest number, because starting should be avoided 0. It has no value. But for this greatest number, putting that is 2, 1 and 0. So insert comma, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, that is 8,75,210. Now this is the smallest, that is greatest 6-digit number. Okay. This is greatest 6-digit number. So this is a pattern of comparison of numbers. Okay, while giving that is separate numbers, we can arrange in a increasing order, that is lesser than. Okay, how to arrange this number, and again put it in together to as form a single number, and insert comma and read the number, and formation of that is smallest 6 digit number and that is greatest, because it starts from, that is a decreasing order. Here this is a increasing order. So formation that is smallest. Here that is a decreasing order to form greatest 6 digit number. Okay, and let me move on to the comparison of numbers with different digit numbers. Okay.